Alright, let's see what people are asking today. Can CNC make a mirror finish? Starting with a big one. The answer is yes, but usually not with standard CNC machining alone. A mirror-like surface, often less than Array 0.4, is usually achieved through processes like precision grinding or mirror polishing rather than standard CNC milling or turning. CNC machining and finishing processes often work together when a very high surface quality is required. Let's see the next one. What surface finish would actually consider it smooth? Good question. The answer depends on the applications. In machining, a surface roughness below a rate 1.6 microns is generally considered smooth. For everyday machined parts, array 3.2 to 6.3 is common. For high precision applications like aerospace or medical component, array 0.8 or lower is often required. This is a question we get a lot. How do you actually achieve array 0.8? Achieving array 0.8 requires a carefully controlled machining process. It involves precision machining with fine-grained tools, optimized feed rates and cutting speeds, and often additional finishing processes such as grinding, polishing, or super finishing. Sharp turbine tools with low feed per tooth and controlled cutting depth are also critical. And when machining stainless steel, proper coolant plays an important role in maintaining the surface quality. This one is interesting. How do you know a surface is really array 0.8? Well, we don't just look at it and say, yup, that's a rate 0.8. Surface finish is usually measured with a profilometers. Its stylus moves across the surface and detects the peak and values. Optical methods like interferometry can also be used, and comparison charts with tactile samples are common for quick checks in workshops. Okay, let's finish with this one. What's the smoothest surface CNC can achieve? So, standard CNC milling usually achieve array 3.2 to 6.3. Depends on the tools and machining, of course, parameters. With finer step over, sharp turbine tools and higher spindle speed, CNC milling can improve to array 1.6 or lower. For the best surface finish process can achieve array values around 0.2 to 0.05. CNC machining is highly efficient, but achieving a mirror-like finish usually requires additional finishing steps. That was a lot of great questions. If you have more questions about CNC machining, leave them in the comments. Your question may be the next one we answer on Ask JLCCNC Engineers.